Hey there, I'm here to talk about Sitings. Sitings is a Canadian real estate company, and I worked on their website during my internship at Hope Media House in the summer of 2024. The main page to take a look at is the property page, which allows you to view all the different properties and search and filter through them using all these different fields. You can also view completed properties, and on the right hand side there's also a map which you can click on the different clusters here to view the properties in more of a close-up form. You can click search in this area, which will only return the properties inside of those bounds, and that will be reflected on the left side too. On the technical side, this website is using WordPress, and I was able to build and integrate all of this using the ACF plugin, Advanced Custom Fields, which allows you to add and create custom post types in WordPress. So in this case, one custom post type was the property post type. Each property has a set of custom attributes, and another post type was the tenant post type. So you can basically think of it as a class in object-oriented programming. And yeah, so this page here is basically a PHP file which injects the data that is coming from the ACF plugin into the HTML and injects and queries all the data using PHP. And here on the right side, this map is using the Google Maps API, and all of that was built using JavaScript, because that is how you that's the best way to interact with the API. Yeah, so I basically had to make sure that everything is persisted in the URL. So if you search in this area, it will query the data and also apply all those fields and save them to the URL, which makes it very handy and it makes the URL bookmark friendly. So yeah, if I were to refresh, all of that data all of those filters will be persisted, and even the map will stay the same. And another page that I worked on was this individual property page. For all of these pages, I had a design that I had to closely follow, and I did this using HTML and CSS, just vanilla HTML, CSS, and some JavaScript for interactivity. The last page that I worked on was the individual agent or individual tenant page, which you can see here. Each tenant has its own set of custom attributes, such as contact information and description and feature projects, which will link back to the individual project page. But mainly the project was great to learn about how WordPress integrates with so many different tools, and how customizable WordPress really is, because until then I didn't know that was this customizable. So I hope you like the project, and feel free to check it out. It's live at sitings.ca. It might load a little bit slower if you're looking at it from outside of Canada. But yeah, this was the project. I hope you liked it, and thank you very much for listening.